This electric exhaust cutout valve from SPELAB lets you switch between a calm, factory-style note and a more aggressive tone at the press of a button from inside the cabin. The 3-inch alloy steel valve and Y-pipe feel solidly built, with a thickened valve wall and chrome-plated butterfly plate that inspire confidence for long-term use. Installation is straightforward for someone familiar with exhaust work, and the included wiring harness, control box, and remote make the kit feel complete out of the box. Once fitted to a single exhaust system of the correct diameter, the valve helps reduce backpressure when opened, allowing the engine to breathe more freely and respond more eagerly. The remote-controlled opening angle lets you fine-tune how loud and free-flowing the exhaust is, rather than being stuck with only fully open or fully closed settings. SPELAB backs the motor and electronics with a defined warranty period, which adds peace of mind for a component that lives in a hot and demanding environment.